Oh, Megan's coming. Oh no, oh my gosh.
I got the diamond one. Andy!
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is vlog number 4? No, 5. Vlog number 5.
Really mad.
And today it's 7:05 a.m. and we are about to go to 0 hour and Megan's doing her mascara. And there's Patrick.
The foundation. Yeah, that's
OOTD.
Is that what the
OOTD? Okay.
Hold on. These shoes, I got them on Zappos. These socks, I got them at Kohl's.
I got these from Walmart.
These leggings are from Gap. They're gray.
Okay.
This is from Zappos.
Okay.
I have like 5 mascaras on.
Okay, you ready? Megan, OOTD?
Oh, okay. So I got this ugly shirt that we had to wear, some black leggings, and my slippers.
Yes, OOTD.
I have AirPods in.
It's been a rough morning out here for Megan. And happy Friday, squad. So, hello again vlog. Just got out of 0 hour. And we're here with the everyday, all-time Toomey time. Hi. But, look it, there's Ben. Hi, Ben.
Yo, what's up, vlog? Chilling, reading some of my first hour. Damn, the boys came 6 wrong. Yeah, they got 6 back at it again.
I got 2 wrong.
I got 6 wrong.
I got 100.
No, you didn't. Disappointment.
Revealing. Hey vlog, what's up? I miss you guys.
Your hair's on my face.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so
Have I ever
vlog.
been in one of these before?
Yes, you have.
Have I? Everyone from
might have
bio
been.
had to
Okay.
be in this.
Yeah, everyone's been in it from bio. So, we have Megan Simon. You want to be in? You've been in one in English. I know you have.
No, because I watched it and you cut me out.
No. There's one in English where I have you and I said, do you want to say hi? And you went, hi.
And I looked at the video to see if I was in or not.
Yes, I swear. Watch here. I'm going to win this argument right here. 1, 2, 3. There she is. Boom. I don't know. So you can be in it today.
Hi guys.
Oh my, I had like 5 chins in that. I'm crop myself out.
Dude, some tea just went down. That was so funny.
Oh.
That's in there?
Ha. Ha. 3rd period, take action. Oh wait, that was bad. Parker. So guys, today we are in 3rd period now, and we're in art. And I don't know why my paper's under there. I don't know why. I've been looking forward to this class all day, because I get to draw my trippy. Look it, I'm drawing trippy red. Love letter to you 3. I just started it though, so it's right there. And let's see, here's Hayden's drawing.
That's scary. Hayden is drawing chameleon. And then Dylan is drawing a toucan.
No, I'm drawing your mom.
Oh, yep. Cindy, that's her. And Abby is drawing a butterfly on a flower because she always has flowers in her pictures. Oh, yeah.
Besides, I had enough.
And I'll update you at the end of class to see how far I get on my trippy. Ow, that hurts my neck. It's Nuketown. I gotta do it. His bandana's so hard. Why is it like this? This thing is so weird. Ready? 7 seconds. Ready? 7 seconds out. Shut up. Ready?
I'll do it. Let me do it.
7 second challenge. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
Oh, I can do this.
Is Hilda here today?
Vlog.
And are we doing the 7 second challenge? Zach's up next.
Zach's doing it.
Ready? Let's go. Woo! 7 second challenge. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, oh my god, I can't. I'm not doing this. It's like full. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gay. 5. Hey guys, we are back with the vlog, and I am in world history now. gonna come in the door of fame. Oh, I see someone coming. Oh my God, there's people coming. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Andrew!
It's an honor.
Hey guys, I'm visiting in history.
She's not in my class, but she's
Is
here.
this history?
Yeah.
I don't take history.
Hey boy, they're coming. You're gonna see them later in the vlog tonight, right? Woo. Hey guys, it's period 7. We're about to leave, and here's Jeremy. Jeremy. Say hi.
So, hi.
Hi.
You wonder how the pizza video gets made.
Yeah, watch.
It's not
Just
even
watch
like
this.
that.
Just watch this. Jeremy keeps making fun of Olivia for this. I'm gonna insert it right here. This is from 8th grade.
Insert clip here.
Oh, I like it. All those A's, no more B's.
Let's break it down. So vlog, it's after school now, and I am in the car with Megan Simon, Connor Mish, Emma Emma, and where's Michael? And Mikey Voice and Nerds. And there's a crash right now. Don't know if I'm allowed to show that. I might get demonetized. Oh my god, yeah. Got in a car crash, no clickbait. Don't say that, I don't see, yeah, haha, get clickbaited. Everyone looks shocked. Wait. No, that's how I make my thumbnails. I take a thing from the video. Yeah. Hashtag not clickbait. Hashtag kidding, you just got clickbaited. Look it, we got, oh my god, look at that. We're at Beggars right now, not eating it, getting some pizza. And
Our
sorry,
waiter's
shut
really
up.
cool.
Yeah, our waiter.
His name's Logan.
So shout out to Logan. Can I put him in my vlog?
If
he
ask him.
I will. So Logan, if you're in my vlog, here you are.
We actually love you so much.
You're a pretty good waiter.
Best waiter I've ever had.
Connor changed his drink 3 times, and he accepted.
Alright, so speak up. So I'm like a loud restaurant.
This is my Mountain Dew. This is me drinking my Mountain Dew. This is Emma drinking your Mountain Dew.
This is how I drink my drink.
We'll get you guys back, and here we go. I'm gonna edit 3, 2.
So this is our waiter. We have his
His name's
consent,
Logan.
and he's a good waiter, like we said. So
man,
yeah,
Doing my job, bro.
yeah, he is, and he brought us some mozzarella sticks.
Isn't gonna help.
He's gotta crack his neck.
Sorry guys, it is very, very dark right now, but we are coming back to my house from Beggars, and we picked up some new people. Not clickbait, Jake Troy didn't bail for once. We got Jake Troy here, we got Josh Luchetti, we got Connor, and then we have the 3 in the front who have been with us the whole time. Okay guys, so
Where we leave you.
I don't know if
Our group chat is literally called No Ankle Socks.
and he's wearing ankle socks.
I'm wearing my
Okay, put your feet up.
Look at,
Yeah. Look at all our feet. Anyways, I don't know if I showed them. There's Jake and Josh, not the TV show.
Not Drake, it's Jake.
It's Jake Troy over there.
I have a feeling this is gonna be my favorite vlog.
Yeah, and so
is a good one.
today I'm signing off. Hope you had a great day and a great week. Good night. See you next time.